Hello all, welcome to the presentation on AUTOSAR. AUTOSAR is a automotive open system architecture where there will be standards for every basic software modules with a lot of advantages like portability and reintegration and modular development. Here we can see that three different levels of layers are available for in AUTOSAR. AUTOSAR is actually used for automotive industry where there is a standardization for developing the software over the microcontroller ECUs, electronic control units. We can see that thousands number of ECUs are being integrated into automotive industry for different purposes like ADAS systems, battery management, engine management, and car cluster, and so on. For every ECU we will be having a microcontroller, and we should follow the AUTOSAR as a architecture for developing the software. Here we have application layer, RTA, which is runtime environment, and BSW, basic software modules. Basic software modules are divided into three different types: service layer, EC abstraction layer, and microcontroller abstraction layer. And if we don't have the required functioning module defined in the AUTOSAR architecture, we can choose our required module with the complex device driver. Complex device driver means it is a driver that is not defined by the AUTOSAR architecture. All the modules will be communicating with the APIs, basically function calls. Those APIs are standardized. At our microcontroller abstraction, we can have a number of modules like PW, DIO, ports, and CAN, LIN. These are drivers which are specific to the microcontroller. EC abstraction and service layer, there will be having a CAN interface, LIN interface, and other interfacing modules inside ECU abstraction layer. And coming to the service layer, which is where we'll have service modules like COM and TCM and other modules, and also the OS module. All these BSW modules will be having a function calls like APIs, which are standardized by the AUTOSAR, and they will be communicating using those APIs only. And RTA is the integrator between application layer and BSW. Application depends on ourselves as per our requirement. We have to define that each component runnables and ports and trigger and access point of the each software component at application level. This way it will be the way of communication between BSW and ASW, which is a application level, and basic software modules using the RTA by mapping the tasks to the events which are coming from the trigger of the ASW.